Provenance Fine Wines help create and manage private collections of some of the world's leading fine wines. Whether clients look to purchase wine just to drink, or whether it's for the intention of using fine wine as a vehicle for capital growth, we aim to provide the right wines at the right time. Increasingly these days people are looking to use fine wine as an asset class. People have known the appeal of fine wine for drinking for many, many years, but more and more people these days are looking at the fine wine market as a stable area of diversification really within their overall investment portfolio. The key to understanding why more and more people are choosing fine wine as a vehicle for capital growth is by really understanding how fine wines rise in value. Because the value of fine wine is inextricably linked to the laws of supply and demand, many have considered it far more robust during negative global economic conditions, the like of which we're seeing at the moment, than traditional modes of investing such as stocks and shares, property. After all, fine wine is a tangible asset and as such retains an intrinsic value. Provenance aren't tax advisors, but it's generally widely regarded that fine wine, because HM Revenue and Customs view fine wine as a wasting chattel that is deemed perishable within 50 years, that there are certain exemptions possible, i.e. capital gains tax, on the profits that one makes when selling those wines on. No investment area is devoid of risk. You need to know who you are dealing with if you are using a private company to select and source wines for you. You need to be reassured that you have the requisite paper trail that proves that you have certification of title of your wines. And very, very importantly, you need to know that you haven't been overcharged massively for the wines within your portfolio. That might involve doing a bit of research on pricing. Also, we would always recommend that one ensures that companies' house records are up to date. And lastly, if you're unsure, get a second opinion. Assuming that you follow all of those guidelines set out, it's certainly not unreasonable to expect returns of between 10 and 15% per annum. Of course, it's important to bear in mind that the longer you hold on, the better, because the longer you hold on, the rarer these wines become and the more they should increase in value.